Now, the president's ask comes as cases of COVID-19 continue to climb here at home because of that highly contagious Delta variant. And that's raising more questions about the possible return of mask mandates.
The Erie County Department of Health reporting 98 new COVID-19 cases yesterday, bringing the total number of new cases per 100,000 residents over the past week to 48. Just 2 cases shy of an unwanted threshold. Good evening. With these latest numbers, County Executive Mark Poloncarz warning tonight that the county is, quote, extremely close to entering the CDC's substantial risk of community spread.
And once the county reaches that substantial risk category, we could see changes to how we interact indoors. As 7 Eyewitness News senior reporter Eileen Buckley found out, local businesses are preparing.
We're wrapping our arms around what businesses need to get through this.
The Buffalo-Niagara Partnership wants to make sure businesses get the answers they need. That's why it's hosting a free webinar Friday morning with Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz. Partnership President and CEO Dottie Gallagher tells me they will hear directly from the county executive about rising hospitalization rates caused by the highly contagious Delta variant and the impact on businesses.
There has been confusion in the marketplace that has made it challenging for some businesses. So I'm interested to hear if they think this is going to make things easier or harder.
What else do you expect to hear from him and you yourself would ask him about?
I really want to hear what the plan is in terms of, because this guidance is evolving by the minute. And I have to, commend him and the county for being extremely responsive. And I really want to understand from our members and other businesses that participate, how challenging will this be?
Poloncarz continues to warn the community, just as he did in Thursday's tweet, that Erie County is getting extremely close to a substantial risk category. The county's 7-day average per 100,000 residents is now at 48 cases. 50 to 99 cases would boost to the substantial level. Businesses want to know if that means a return to indoor mask mandates and requiring vaccines.
It's kind of deja vu here. I think a lot of people thought we were, walking out of the woods.
James Grasso is a labor and employment attorney with Phillips Lytle. Grasso says from a legal standpoint, employers have a great deal of leeway. He says they do have the right to require employees to be vaccinated and the right to ask employees to prove it.
There's nothing in the law that says employers can't require employees to be vaccinated or wear masks. But I think it's getting harder and harder for employers not to mandate vaccines.
Are you hearing from different businesses reaching out to you for advice on this right now?
I am, and I think all lawyers in my field are as well, because things are changing, continuing to change rapidly. Employers have questions about what can they do, what should they do in the workplace to comply with the new with the updated guidance.
The county executive declined my request for an interview due to scheduling conflicts. In Buffalo, Eileen Buckley, 7 Eyewitness News.